The first place you'll find me every weekday morning is right here on the Weather Channel, 6 a.m. Eastern. Now, your local on the 8th.
A freezing rain advisory is in effect for our area. Our local Doppler radar. For tonight, off and on snow flurries are possible along with variably cloudy skies. Patchy freezing drizzle possible. Low 22. Winds northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And on Wednesday, off and on snow flurries are possible along with variably cloudy skies. High 28. And Wednesday night, cloudy with flurries. Low 21. Winds west-northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Our 7-day outlook.